Welcome everyone to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you're having a fantastic Thursday. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. Now, if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell, and do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It helps out with that YouTube algorithm. Alright, so there's going to be no market tomorrow. So Good Friday, the market's not going to be open. That means that we need to close out our week, get everything moved around that we wanted to get moved around. We're going to talk about the market, see where we think it's going today. Finish this week out strong. We've had a great week so far. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, we've got the S&P sitting pretty much flat in the pre-market this morning. We've been down a little, we've been up a little. And just a nice mixture of red and green in my pre-market watch list here. Now we do have crypto falling off just a little bit. We're just under that 28,000, sitting here at 27,903. So where's the market going today? Well, we've got a 3-day weekend here. So could that mean that we're going to get a larger sell-off? That is possible. Let's look at how the market ended yesterday. Now we had the S&P down about 1/4%, Dow up 1/4, but the Nasdaq falling off sharply 1% yesterday. Now we talked about this in yesterday morning's video. I said that I was expecting the tech sector to really start getting hit hard. And for those of you, I want to give a shout out to my buddy. I called out the SQQQ. We traded the SQQQ day before yesterday. I made a 20% trade, just day trading some options that expired this week. Super happy with that. I was really excited. Had a buddy of mine followed along with that, and he's got a smaller account. He wasn't able to day trade. He ended up holding them, selling them yesterday, which if you watch the SQQQ, it ran up very nice yesterday. He ended up making 160% on his trade. Shout out to everyone who followed along, got in that, and made some profits. That's what this is all about, making profits, accelerating, getting better than that 8 to 10% that all these financial advisors tell you to expect. You can do better, you deserve better. So let's get out there and make some more of it. Where's the market going today? Well, you know, the market's been kind of defying logic lately, but with a 3-day weekend coming up, we've got a little bit of weakness. The Nasdaq's broke down under that 12,000 mark. We've still got the SPY right up there near resistance. We could see a pullback today. We could see a day where the market's red across the board and we see that little bit of a downturn. Now, if the market pops, you've heard me talking about my TQQ plays that I'm playing out through the summer. I said anytime that I see a pop in the market to where those run up, I'm going to be buying puts on them. I'm going to be buying puts, setting that aside, which I should mention that the puts we bought a couple of days ago are already looking very good. They're running up nicely, and as this market starts to fall off and we see that TQQQ coming back down close to that $20 mark, because right now I've got the $28 strike. So as we get close to that $20 mark, those things are going to be worth a fortune, and I'm very glad to be holding some of them. And if the market pops up and gives me another chance to buy some more, I'm going to pick up some more, and I'm going to do that. You know, historically, April is a great month for the market. Historically, April tends to be a month where the market has good movement. So, through the month of April, if the market gives me the opportunity to be able to pick up some more, I'm going to do that, because I feel, I don't know, I don't have a crystal ball, but I feel that moving towards summer, once we get close to June, July, that we could really start to see this market tumble down, especially, like I said, in that tech sector, which is what the SQQQs track. They track the Nasdaq. So the more I can pick up of that and hold, get out past summer, I'm picking up the September expirations if you're interested. I think those are going to be very good for me. I think they're going to do well over that time frame, and that's exactly what I'm expecting them to do. Other than that, we had Coinbase come down again yesterday. Just was not moving up. Ended up down almost 3% on the day. And what I do, I said I was going to slow down on them, and I am. I really refrained from just absolutely loading up on them. Normally, in the past, I might have picked up 2 or 3 positions instead of just one, but I did pick up another position in Coinbase for some calls at the $60 strike because we held above that $59 support level. So I'm still expecting that move up. I still think we have a gap fill between about $69 and $75 that we need to fill. And if it wasn't for all this bad news, let's face it, at the price Bitcoin is, if it wasn't for all the bad news that is going on out there about Coinbase, we'd be trading in that $90 range. No problem. But because everybody's worried what the SEC might come up with, which if you've been watching me, you know my standpoint on this. I think it's a fishing expedition. I don't think that they're going to find anything. I don't think this is going to be anything that costs Coinbase as a company. I think they're going to come through this stronger, and it's going to show everyone how solid Coinbase is, and that's when Coinbase is really going to start to run. But for now, I'm going to keep making some money. I just know that it's going to be suppressed because of everything going on out there. So that's the moves I made yesterday. That's what I'm going to be watching today. I'm going to get everything closed out for the week. Have a great weekend. Have a great Easter if you're out there. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time with the family. We will recap our ROI for the week this afternoon. So until next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.